Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and I am greeting you once again. A very good morning to all of you. So आज का मेरा वीडियो is just because there are a lot of people who is thinking to get a very black or pitch black kind of wallpapers or maybe themes, because right now all the technologies, including YouTube, Google, as well as all kind of launchers and system UI, are going towards dark theme mode. So this is my quick video how to get a pitch black wallpaper without installing any kind of wallpaper, without investing your precious memory over any kind of launcher, etc. So the first and the easiest way to get a black launcher is just open your camera app. So basically your camera is just look like a mirror image. So when you put it down on any table or anything, it just convert this thing into black. But right now it is a little bit tintish, just because the background or the surface over which I put my phone is slightly white. So what I do, I just put my phone over this and click a snap, and as I take a photo, here are the samples. So this is one of my image and this is one of my second image which I put. So what I do, I just put it down as my wallpaper. So this is their option. So I just cook wallpaper as a gallery, and I just take blur effect so that it becomes more and more black. So just I put it out, and ta-da, it's fully black. I think so you love this black so much because it is so unique and it is so black that every details you can find with crisp and crystal display. If you don't have any kind of AMOLED display over your phone, your IPS LCD make it like some kind of quad HD display. So thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.